These Power Wagons are built beefy, but the one thing I just was worried about was these thin bumpers, and it's flush mounted, so it's good for approach angles and off-road stuff, but I mean, you get hit by a car, it's still messing up coolers, radiators, everything. So anyway, it's pretty cool. So there's that. In order to make that happen, because I can't lift 300 pounds with one arm, I'm not juiced up on steroids. I got this thing a duck lift, so I hope that'll work out. All right, let's get this show on the road. All right, we gotta remove these bolts here. Gotta watch for the wire harness. All this stuff goes to fog lights, sensors, that kind of thing. Obviously, this one's a goofy one because you got a winch that's stock right there. Come through. Should be all right. Looks pretty basic. Reach these things for the bumper right here. That. This is rough. You gotta take off the frame for the integrated winch to get the last bolt out for the bumper to put the new one on. One of those little sneaky things in process. Oh man, pain. These two brackets here for the winch specifically. I don't know if you can see that. But these things here were stops and you couldn't get the last bolt out, which makes sense. But pain in the arse. Get this thing dropped. Phase 17. Had to take out this piece through here to get all the sensors. Sensor, and then I gotta take this piece off here. Wiring harness. Impasse. This here is a winch bracket that comes with the Power Wagon, but when it comes up here, this little tiny piece needs to be nipped so it can flush mount, otherwise there's a gap. This fucking sucks. These brackets here, we had to shim and shave and all that. But they should be all right. Pain in the ass. Raw, gotta pop these things. Pop these little plugs out all the way through. This sensor stuff in. These sensors are all falling out. It's a little oversized a hole, so cut up a bunch of this weather stripping. Just put a little piece in, it fills up the space. Makes it firm like this. Doesn't really move that much. It's like the other ones were. Alright, time to put this bad boy on. Got the wiring done. Here's the old stuff. This is called a duct lift when you're by yourself. Alright, let's see if this thing works. Rigging and... oh, I'm nervous. till you try. Rigging. I got one bolt in right now on each side. Now I'm going to go under and align everything, make sure it's even each side, make it balanced, and see what it does. Oh, finally. I have no idea what time it is. Start at 10 a.m. It's probably 9, 8:30. But first time doing stuff, you know. Gotta go to the parts store 3 or 4 times. Had to make some metal cuts, grinding, a bunch of stuff, but now we're rocking and rolling. Yeah, yeah. Before. Oh, look how heavy that is. The bones. These are your license plate lights, so just little clips. I guess that's how you do it. After. I know I did it on purpose to be annoying.